थोड़े भीगे भीगे से थोड़े नम हैं हम।
कल से सोए वो भी तो कम है हम।
पैसा कमाने के दो रास्ते होते हैं, एक शॉर्टकट और दूसरा छोटा शॉर्टकट।
दिल ने कैसी हरकत की है।
Hi, this is Shahid Kapoor and you're watching BollywoodHangama.com.
पहली बार मोहब्बत की है।
And ta-dan, ta-da-da-da. We have with us today the Dan man, the guy who's making huge waves for his film Kamine is releasing shortly. Shahid, wonderful to have you back on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you. Always good to be on Bollywood Hangama.
The film is releasing and the buzz is tremendous within the industry and amongst the viewers as well. So, how are you feeling right now?
हम सब जानते थे, we all knew that we are attempting something very new and very fresh. Vishal and we both, obviously Vishal had told me that यार ये अलग रोल है, तूने ऐसा कभी कुछ किया नहीं है पहले. So let's make you look also different. So yes, very very excited, very happy. It's a very important film for me. What happens, Faridun, is as an actor, whenever you do something out of your comfort zone, you need the acceptance of your audience to give you that confidence, to make you believe that you made the right move. It's really satisfying to see the audience react positively to something where they're seeing me very very different from what I've done in the past. And I'm hoping that they will react similarly to the film.
तो भूतों की शादी तो तुम्हारा वो भाई भी नहीं रोक पाएगा.
Okay, and how do you react when you hear statements like that? This is the career-best performance of Shahid Kapoor.
Well, yeah, I think there were a few things which were very challenging. Obviously, it's my first double role, so that in itself was very very new. चाली सर नहीं बोल सकता तो फ को फ बोलता है, तो उसका वो प्रॉब्लम है. और गुड्डू जो है वो अटक अटक कर बात करता है, he's a stammerer.
कसम से. अब कहाँ गई तुम्हारी साइंस, होम साइंस?
Okay, and what do you have to say about Vishal Bharadwaj? He is a unique filmmaker and he's a wonderful music composer as well. I'm sure that hearing your song everywhere, like be it disc or mobile and everything, must be a great high. But as a director, what do you have to say about that?
Well, I think the best thing about Vishal is that he makes an actor move out of his comfort zone. Obviously, we all know that he's multi-talented. He's a brilliant director. He is great music director. He writes his own dialogues.
Sings them as well.
हाँ, मैंने कहा thank God dancing मुझे करने थी, नहीं तो वो भी कर लेते Dan में. तो मैं क्या करता?
You see a tabloid and you see that Shahid Kapoor and Vishal Bharadwaj coming to blows and everything. How do you react to such stories?
No, we are doing a press conference where we are both going to pose like this. इन सब चीज़ों से फिल्म चलती थोड़ी है. I think these kind of stories you just get used to over time. He's too senior a director. कोई मेरे उम्र का होता है यार 27-28 साल का जिसके साथ बोलते तो शायद थोड़ा अच्छा भी लगता है यार, अच्छा लगता है यार, दोनों झगड़ा वगड़ा करने लगे यार, exciting लगता है. But you know, he's almost my father's age.
And he's worked with your father.
And he's worked with my father.
Both one of the best
and,
films
and
of Pankaj Kapoor.
Vishal is such a sweet, calm person. I can't imagine him raising his hand first of all.
Yeah.
But anyways, I guess these things happen and you just get used to them.
Recently, I believe you've been awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Award as well. I think at 28, that's a big honor for you.
I was very surprised. You know, I'm getting the award and I'm very humbled, honestly, because yes, I'm only 28 and I think I've just worked for 4-5 years, and to be honored with something like that is well, it's very special, and I'm really glad that they chose me. I'm really happy.
Alright, something about Dil Bole Hadippa. The promos have been appreciated and it's a very frothy kind of romance. Unusual combination with Rani Mukherjee. What is Dil Bole Hadippa all about?
Well, Dil Bole Hadippa is a totally different film from Kamine. बिल्कुल, वो तो I think प्रोमो से ही पता चलता है कि दोनों बहुत अलग पिक्चर, जो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ जिसके बारे में, because दोनों 1 महीने के गैप में आ रही हैं.
फिक्र गम का पापा है.
हाँ, फिक्र करे फुकरे, उसका डायलॉग है. तो that's the attitude of the film. फिक्र ही गम का पापा है.
See, when it comes to you personally, you don't drink, you don't smoke, and you're a vegetarian. Still, you have a fabulous physique and all. Some would call it he's a very regular kind of guy, but somehow or the other, a lot of controversies keep on following you. Say, for example, all this is being written about, say, you and Priyanka Chopra and coming together and then splitting and everything. And then Shahid Kapoor is going on a speed dating and he's having something with Anushka Sharma and all. Why don't you react to all these rumors and all that?
Why should I, yaar, Faridun? If somebody sat you down and said कि यार तू बता तेरी personal life में क्या क्या हो रहा है, you'd say I'm sorry, it's none of your business, you know. So just because I'm an actor, why should I sit here and explain my personal life in front of, you know, millions of people? And I really do believe that normal people would respect that, because I think you do unto others what you want others to do unto you. And I think I have the right to my own privacy. And yes, I had a very public breakup. A lot was written, and I guess people want to understand who I'm with and who I'm not. But it's not necessary that, I have to be in a relationship all the time. And I have to, I have to have a girlfriend and I have to talk about it. It's not necessary. If there is somebody in my life, if I do fall in love, then people will know about it automatically. Apart from that, यार, there's nothing one can do about it. मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के कुछ भी बोलूँ, नहीं बोलूँ, लोगों को जो लिखना है वो लिखने वाले हैं. ये 3-4 साल में मैंने सीख लिया है. So I
But
don't
still,
take
like
it
when you see a tabloid and maps are being there and lines are being drawn in terms of from your house to Priyanka Chopra's house and all that. Like that is quite funny in fact. Like
वो 1 साल पहले करना चाहिए था यार. 1 साल पहले से रह रही है वो बिल्डिंग में मेरे साथ. But they choose to do it now,
right.
which there is nothing much that one can do about. It's funny sometimes. It's irritating sometimes. But I guess it comes with the territory of being an actor and being a star.
It's also being said that you and Priyanka won't be promoting the film together. Any truth to that?
नहीं यार, we've already promoted it together. We've already done stuff together. We will continue doing some stuff together. That depends on UTV and what their strategy of promotion is, where they want to see us together. But there are no issues between me and Priyanka. And even if there are issues, we're actors, we're professionals. It will never come between my work. And I'm clarifying that there are no issues, but I'm just saying hypothetically कि लाइफ में प्रोफेशन अलग होता है और पर्सनल लाइफ अलग होती है, तो उसको आई डोंट थिंक आई कंफ्यूज इट, एंड आई एम श्योर प्रियंका ऑल्सो डजंट, बट वी आर वेरी मच प्रमोटिंग द फिल्म टुगेदर. वी आर ऑल वन बिग हैप्पी फैमिली. इट माइट साउंड वेरी बोरिंग, बट इट्स ट्रू. वी आर ऑल प्राउड ऑफ द फिल्म दैट वी मेड, एंड we're all looking forward to see how people react to it. And I think honestly, I don't have the time and the interest of paying any attention to these stories, because they're just stupid, they're baseless, and they don't need to be given any importance personally.